OpenAI has unveiled its latest innovation, the GPT 4.1 model family. This new generation of AI models is optimized specifically for coding tasks. It's available through OpenAI's API, which means developers can integrate its power into all sorts of applications. This GPT 4.1 family really signals a new era of AI, with a strong focus on practical coding applications. The release includes GPT-4.1, GPT 4.1 Mini, and GPT 4.1 Nano. Each model is designed to cater to different needs and resource constraints. The arrival of these models highlights OpenAI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities. Their aim is clear: to provide tools that truly empower developers and businesses. GPT 4.1 showcases some pretty significant performance improvements over its predecessors. For instance, it has achieved an impressive 55% score on the SWE-bench benchmark. This benchmark, by the way, measures the model's ability to generate high-quality code. This achievement really underscores GPT-4.1's prowess in understanding and generating human-like code. One of its key advancements is its enhanced code analysis capability. It can now analyze 8 times more code simultaneously compared to previous models. This means it can identify errors and suggest improvements with much higher accuracy. Honestly, this capability is a game changer for developers, as it significantly streamlines the coding process. Beyond its coding prowess, GPT 4.1 boasts some seriously impressive speed and cost efficiency. It's 40% faster than its predecessor, GPT 4.0, which means quicker response times. On top of that, the cost of input queries has been reduced by a whopping 80%. This makes GPT 4.1 a much more accessible tool for developers and businesses alike. The capabilities of GPT 4.1 have also been validated by third-party experts. For instance, the CEO of Windsurf, a leading technology company, reported that GPT 4.1 is 60% better than GPT 4.0, based on their internal benchmarks. This kind of independent validation really solidifies GPT-4.1's position as a powerful and reliable coding assistant. The release of GPT 4.1 comes amidst some pretty fierce competition in the AI landscape. Tech giants like Google and Anthropic have also introduced their own code-focused AI models. This competitive environment is driving rapid innovation in the field, with each company striving to outdo the other. As OpenAI continues to invest heavily in research and infrastructure, it faces the ongoing challenge of achieving profitability. With over 500 million weekly active ChatGPT users, the company is under a lot of pressure to monetize its advancements effectively. The success of GPT 4.1 and future models will undoubtedly be crucial in determining OpenAI's market position and long-term sustainability.